everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapie Stories, and namhlanje ke sikhuluma ngeSibongile and the Dlamini's. Omunye futhi ubadlali kulomdlalo is leaving the show. Yena ke guys abazomreplace kodwa uyahamba nje, angazi noma bazoyibulala ne character yakhe, but ke ubaba kaSibongile bathi ngathi uzothola omunye unkosikazi. Nengisola ukuthi ke lo unkosikazi kuzoba umngani kaDeliwe wakudala nongusisi kaNtombela, bekubikiwe ukuthi ke uzojoyina ubedlala ke indawo kaGabsile laphana ke kuZalo. So ngicanga ukuthi uyena ke mhlawumbe guys ongaba ke unkosikazi ke kababa ke kaSibongile. Nasi ke statement esenziwe ke uMzansi wethu, bathe Mzansi wethu bids farewell to Silindile Nodangala, who played the role of Deliwe Mbambo on season 1 of Sibongile and the Dlamini's. With the story evolving and new characters joining the cast, Deliwe's journey has come to an end. Nodangala's portrayal of Deliwe was both captivating and divisive, making her stand-out character. Her talent has shone brightly on this show and others across Mzansi. Despite her departure, there's plenty to look forward to in the new season, including new secrets, Sibongile's new chapter, and the future of Vuma's life without Deliwe. Basibethi ke asiqhubeke ke sibuke ke uSibongile and the Dlamini's from Monday to Wednesday ngo 6:30. Sasithi ke guys bazosenzela ke lo mdlalo ukuthi udlale ke ngomsombuluko kuze kushaye Friday, kodwa ke buya sengathi cha abasithengi leso story sethu. Okunye ke guys that I've observed on social media, babukeli ke baqala ke ukuluza ke interest kulomdlalo, kodwa ke asithemba ukuthi ku season 2 bazolungisa ke amaphutha abawenzile njengokudraga istoryline isikhathi eside guys. So siyathemba because izinto ezenzabantu balose interest indaba kaNomalanga, kuphinde kube yini futhi kuphinde kube ukuthi uSibongile nokwenzo, like we are hoping ukuthi ke bazogcina beshadile noma ke they will have a relationship toward the end of season 1, but akuzange kwenzeke. So ke abantu abaningi lost interest kulomdlalo, and niyazi guys ukuthi abantu babalose interest benzana abawubuka umdlalo and ugcina ke usukhansela. So we are hoping ukuthi ke ku season 2 bazolungisa izinto guys, and abantu bazobuya ke ngobuningi baqhubeke ke basupport ke lo mdlalo. That bring us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.